This morning I'm making steamed callaloo. That's a Jamaican spinach, and these already I have my vegetables, my seasoning sauteed in some cold pressed coconut oil, and you're not gonna let it get brown or anything. So as soon as they just start to get a little soft, then you add your callaloo, and you can see I have a Scotch bonnet pepper on top with my thyme. I don't like it to be fried in the oil, my thyme. So the Scotch bonnet pepper, now you can't let it burst because your mouth will be on fire. So you can just leave it like that. You don't have to stir it too much at this point, and cover the pot and wait for another 15 minutes. Turn the flame down to about, I usually put it at about a